morning, my dear students. This is the part 5 of chapter 2, whole numbers. Today we shall discuss a new topic, multiplication of whole numbers. First, we shall discuss different properties of multiplication. Number 1, closure property. You have got it in properties of addition and subtraction of whole numbers, which states that if A and B are two whole numbers, then A into B, the result is also a whole number. Example I have given, 11 into 12, that is equal to 132, which is a whole number. 2 into 6 is equal to 12, that is also a whole number. Property number 2 is commutative property. If A and B are two whole numbers, then A into B is equal to B into A. That means if we change the order of the multiplication, then also the result is same. I have given two examples. 7 into 6 is equal to 6 into 7, which gives 42. And number 2 is 5 into 3 is equal to 3 into 5, which gives equal to 15. Let us see property number 3, associative property. If A, B and C are three whole numbers, then within bracket A into B into C is equal to A into within bracket B into C. The product of three whole numbers do not change by changing their grouping. While multiplication, if we make groups of some numbers, then the result will not change. Let us see this with two examples. I have taken three numbers, 3, 5 and 7. 3 is A, 5 is B and 7 is C. 3 into 5 I have made one group into 7. Within bracket 3 into 5, so I have to multiply 3 into 5 first, then the result will be multiplied to 7. 3 into 5 is 15 into 7, which is equal to 105. Then I have made group of 5 and 7. So 5 into 7 you have to multiply first because it is within the bracket, which is 35. 3 into within bracket 5 into 7 is 3 into 35, which is again 105. So 105 and 105 both are equal. In exercise 2, A is 2, B is 5 and C is 7. A into B into C, A into B, that is 2 into 5 is within bracket, so it is 10 into 7. 10 into 7 is 70. In the second grouping, 2 into 5 into 7, 5 and 7 in one group. 5 into 7 is 35. 2 into 35 is 70. So here also both the quantities are same. This is known as the associative property of multiplication. Property number 4, multiplicative identity. If A is a whole number, then A into 1 equal to 1 into A equal to A. That is, if we multiply a whole number by 1, the result is the whole number itself. 7 into 1 equal to 1 into 7, which is 7. This is called multiplicative identity for whole numbers. Property number 5, multiplicative property of 0. If A is any whole number, then A into 0 is equal to 0 into A is equal to 0. That means if we multiply any whole number by 0, the result is 0. Property number 6, distributive property of multiplication over addition. If A, B and C are three whole numbers, then A into within bracket B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C, and B plus C within bracket into A is equal to B into A plus C into A. Let us consider three numbers 12, 7 and 3. 12 into 7 plus 3. 7 and 3 are within brackets. So we have to do the addition part first because it is inside bracket. According to Bodmas rule, you have to do the operation within bracket first, then you have to do the multiplication. 7 plus 3 is 10. 12 into 10, which will give 120. Now, the right hand side of distributive property, what we have got? It should be 12 into 7 plus 12 into 3 is equal to 12 into within bracket 7 plus 3. We shall see 12 into 7 plus 12 into 3 is equal to 120 or not. 12 into 7 is 84 plus 12 into 3 is 36. After adding, the result is 120. Therefore, 12 into 7 plus 3 within bracket is equal to 12 into 7 plus 12 into 3. This is distributivity of multiplication over addition. Property number 7, distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. If A, B and C are three whole numbers and B has to be greater than C, then A into within bracket B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. We have taken one example. 9 into within bracket 7 minus 3 is equal to 9 into 7 minus 3 is 4. The subtraction within bracket we have to do first. 9 into 4 is 36. In the second part, 9 into 7 within bracket minus 9 into 3 within bracket is equal to 63 minus 27, which is 36. Therefore, 9 into 7 minus 3 within bracket is equal to 9 into 7 within bracket minus 9 into 3 within bracket. This is known as distributive property over subtraction. Now let us find the product by suitable rearrangement of the numbers. So we are going to change the order of the numbers given to us and make the multiplication easier. Question number 1, 4 into 2396 into 5. If we group 4 and 5, 4 into 5, which will give us 20. 20 into 2396, that makes the multiplication easier, and we get the product as 47920. Question number 2, 2 into 525 into 5. So let us make a group of 2 and 5, that is 2 into 5, which will give us 10. So multiplication with 10 to any number is very easier. 10 into 5 to 5, which will give 5250. Then question number 3, 8 into 125 into 975. 8 into 125 will give us 1000. Any number multiply by 1000 is easier, so we have made a group of 8 and 125. So 8 into 125, 1000 into 975, that is 975000. In question number 4, I have taken 4 quantities. 2 into 1932 into 4 into 125. So I can make group of 3 quantities also. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 into 24 is 125 is 1000. So 2, 4 and 125 I have made a group into 1932. 2 into 4 into 125, which will give us 1000, into 1932, which is equal to 1932000. So from all the 4 examples, you have come to know that you have to make a round number by rearrangement of the quantities. After finding the product, you have to make it a round number to make the multiplication easier. I have given you some problems, and I hope you can find the answer and do it as homework and send it to my WhatsApp number. This is all for now. Have a good day.